Hello friends, my name is Shardul Khairi and I am from RDG Public School, Akola, class 8. My model name is Bluetooth controlled car. Do you know about Bluetooth controlled car? If no, don't worry because today I am going to tell you about Bluetooth controlled car. This work is based on Arduino, motor driver and Bluetooth module. Arduino is an open source prototyping platform based on easy software and hardware. Arduino uses an 80 Mega 32 microcontroller. Since robotics has become a major part in our daily life and also in the engineering field, and it plays a vital role in the development of new technology. This is a very simple and easy type of new remote control, where the ordinary microcontroller has been replaced by a Arduino and IR sensors has been replaced by a Bluetooth module. The remote can be any Android or iOS cell phones. This project can be made in a bigger scale for real-time vehicles. Now I am going to tell you about various parts of Bluetooth controlled car. This is a motor driver. This is a Arduino Uno. This is a Bluetooth HC module. This is a chassis. These are tires. 2 white LEDs, 2 red LEDs. 2 geared DC motors and one 360-degree rotating wheel. 2 switches, 2 big switches, 1 small switch. Now I am telling about working of the project. The project is of controlling car not by using a sensor or transmitter but instead using Bluetooth, which is very simple communication medium in the present day. The remote in this project is an Android device which has an inbuilt Bluetooth module. Here we have inserted a Bluetooth module which gets connected to the phone's Bluetooth that allows us to communicate and take command over it. Now I am telling about working explanation of Bluetooth controlled car. To run this project, first we need to download Bluetooth app from Google Play Store. We can use any Bluetooth app that is supporting or can send data. Now we have to upload the program to the Arduino Uno. Then we have to connect the car to the Android device. Now I will show you how to connect the car with the Android device. First we have to touch the setting button. Then 4 options appear. The first option is connect to car, accelerometer control, settings, close app. We have to choose connect to car option. Then we have to touch the name of the Bluetooth controlled car module's name. The green light appears which shows that car is successfully connected to the Android device. This button is for the car's forward direction. This button is for car's backward direction. This button is for left direction. This button is for right direction. Car also has headlights and backlights. When we touch headlights button, the headlights get on, and when we touch again the headlights button, the headlights get off. When we touch backlights button, the backlights get on, and when we touch backlights button again, the backlights get off. The movement is done by the left and right motors. We will use the direction of rotation of motors to control the direction of the car. I will touch forward button and the car moves in the forward direction. The both motors move in forward direction. When I touch backward button, the both motors move in backward direction. When I touch left motor, the left motors moves backward and right motors moves forward. When I touch right button, left motor moves forwards and right motor moves backwards. Now I will touch forward button, and to stop the car, we have to just lift up the finger from the screen. The advantages of these projects are: the car is small in size so can be used for spying in any field. With few addition and modification, this car can be used for detecting and disposing hidden landmines in borders. The car can be used for surveillance. Future development. We can interface sensors to this car so that it can monitor some parameters. We can add wireless camera to this car for positive purpose. Thank you.